Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mac model and hardware because compatibility dictates the method you use. Once done, make a full-time machine or external clone backup so you can recover if anything fails. Next, download the official Mac OS installer from the App Store on a supported Mac and place the patcher tools on a 16+ GB USB stick. This combination gives you the installer plus the compatibility fixes needed to proceed safely. Now create the bootable USB with Create Install Media and verify the installer boots on a test Mac if possible. Once you boot the target Mac from USB, run the patcher to inject firmware fixes, include hardware-specific kexts, and adjust installer packages. This step resolves kernel and driver incompatibilities. Make sure to disable system integrity protection and any secure boot settings temporarily, because the installer needs low-level access to write patched system files and firmware helpers during installation. Finish the installer and immediately run the post-install utility to reapply patches for graphics, Wi-Fi, and power management. These final kexts and scripts stabilize the system. Once stable, reset NVRAM and PRAM, then re-enable system integrity protection and secure boot to restore normal security. If anything goes wrong, boot into recovery or safe mode, restore your backup if necessary, and check kernel panic or install logs to identify a missing kext or patch. That single log file usually points to the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.